Well, hello world. It's Call Me Dahlia, and thank you for tuning in for another video of mine. So for today's video, I was going to use Dark Magic from the Jaclyn Hill, is that upside down? From the Jaclyn Hill Morphe Vault Collection, but I saw that she uploaded a video maybe a couple hours ago, so I thought, oh, I'll just follow along and hopefully we'll get the same outcome. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so I'm back, and now that I'm looking as beautiful as the Jaclyn Hill, That doesn't make sense. I just primed my eyelids. I didn't set it yet because, let's push play.
Right here, I'm just going to put that all over my entire lid area. I'm going to pick up the JH30 right here, and I'm going to literally...
Okay, so she's going to grab Poof. It's this shade right here, and she's taken whatever brush she's getting from her Jaclyn Hill palette, or her Jaclyn Hill brush collection, but it's just a fluffy blending brush, and this is a Sigma E40, and let's see what she's going to do with it.
all over my entire lid area.
Okay, so she's just putting it all over her lid. Okay, so she's just essentially just setting the concealer, which I don't like that. For that, I'm gonna get my big one. Look, done. I don't know what I was thinking. Boom. Look at that. Done. That's Poof. Let's see what else she's gonna do.
So I want to make sure that I go over like this entire lid area.
Okay, let's go.
Shadow with it. Okay, so now
Okay.
go in with, actually, what should we go? We're gonna start
Oh, come on. Come on. Figure it out.
I'm going to go with this guy right
Okay, so she's gonna take a potion. It's this green shade right here. She's using that as a transition shade. So I'm gonna get my Sigma E40. Let's see what she's saying. I'm gonna keep playing it while I go. She's going super like dainty. 1, 2, shake, 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 and go it. I'm going. That's how I roll. How about that? Okay. But if I want it, if I want it to be remotely like hers, let me just dab, dab. And do it softly. Who am I kidding? I can't. There is no soft in my routine. Okay, she's playing with her dogs. Okay, is that Georgie or Frankie? Okay, so she's going in with a different brush. Kind of looks like that. And this is a Morphe 505, and she said she's just blending out the outer edges.
Okay, I'm going to go in with some translucent powder right here. This
For
is
what?
Color FX. I'm going to just lightly put this underneath my eye.
Okay, she's using transition.
Trickery right here, which is one of my favorite colors in the entire Vault collection. It is
Okay, so she went in with translucent setting powder underneath her eyes so that the fallout doesn't get on her foundation. And since I'm not wearing foundation yet, I don't need to do that. But she's pointing to Trickery, this one right here, which is a gorgeous green color. But let's see what she's going to do with it. Let's push play.
beautiful shimmery green. And I'm going to use the JH41 to apply that. I'm going to spritz my brush with a little Fix Plus, not too much.
So what she did was she grabbed it looked like a flat shader brush, so I'm going to grab a Sigma E56. She got Trickery, which is that shimmery green shade. It's this one right here. And then she sprayed her brush. Okay. And then she went in, she said, all over her lid. Let's push play. Let's see what she's saying.
Big Inside Job, which is a matte green. I'm going to use the JH33 to apply this. I'm going to put that right between Trickery and Potion.
I'm going to take this one. It's a Sigma E25. It's a blending brush. And I'm going to take Inside Job. And she said she's putting it in between Potion and Trickery. Okay, I'm gonna leave it. Let's see what else she says.
A little bit of the shade Potion right here.
Okay, so then I'm assuming she went on that same brush. Okay, so she's going in with Potion and she's putting it in the same spot. Okay, so I messed up. Maybe I should have watched the whole thing. So she went in with the smaller brush and took it in right here, as opposed to using a big fluffy brush like I did and brought it in closer to my nose. So it's gonna give me what did she say, a closer eye look or a smaller eye look. She said something like that. So yeah, I did that. Oh well, she was taking too long playing with her dogs. Okay, so she's putting more Trickery on her lid. So let's just spray it. So let me do my other eye off of camera and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. I did my base and now we're gonna go into our under eye. She's taking a brush like this. I have a Morphe E18 and she is gonna take the shade Potion. Once again, it's this green shade right here. Okay, so she's putting green in her waterline. Let me grab my Morphe 35B and I'm gonna get the shade Apple Cider. Let me get Apple Cider from the 35B palette and I'm gonna use this green as my eyeliner. Okay, so I'm going to take that same definer brush that I was just using for my eyeliner, and she's taking Busted. It's this blue shade right here. And where does she say she's putting that?
Pick that up and I'm going to stamp it right along my lower lash line.
Okay, so she's going to stamp it right there by her lower lash line. Okay, so I'm going to go back in with my Morphe E18, and she took a little bit of Potion, and she's going to buff out the shade Busted that we just put. Okay. Although I don't know why she wouldn't have put Busted first and then buffed it out, but hey, she's a beauty guru, and I'm just this little small YouTuber that's trying to be great. Okay, so she went back in with Busted, that blue shade, because she said she wanted it to have more of that blue hue than the green. So I'm just going very light with it. She's grabbing the VIP, this white shade right here. Okay, so she's going to take a Power Cut. It's this silver color. And she says she's going to go over top of it. Okay, so she's going in with a Kylie Cosmetics highlight pigment, whatever she said. I don't own anything Kylie Cosmetics, so I'm just gonna grab that white shade again because it looks white to me. So I'm gonna use this as my brow bone highlight. Looks the same to me. I'm gonna do my lashes and I'll be right back. She said, Jaclyn Hill said that she used a peachy corally blush. I'm gonna take MAC Peaches. And then she said that she went in with Hourglass Luminous Light. I think she said a little bit on her chin. For sure on her nose. I do remember hearing that. And then on her forehead. She's using So Hollywood. I don't have it, so I'm going to take Becca in Opal. Looks kind of the same. Okay, so it looked like a nude. Let me just spray my face right now. She used like a brown nude lip. So I'm going to take this Smashbox and Stay Neutral. Okay, so she went over it with Patrick Starr's, I don't know, I think a gloss, like an orange gloss, but I kind of like it like this, so I'm just going to leave it. I'm just going to go with some lower mascara. So that's it, guys. I think that completes the look. Let me push play one last time to make sure. Oops. Okay guys, so this completes the look. I know editing is going to be a pain in my rear just because I've been all over the place, but nonetheless, I hope you enjoyed this video. Since you made it this far, you might as well subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can get notified each and every time that I upload a new video. Don't forget to like and comment, share this video with everyone and anyone, and until next time, bye guys!